Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Adobe's upcoming Q3 fiscal 2025 earnings report, which is scheduled for Thursday, September 11th, after the market close. We'll cover what Wall Street expects, what management has guided, the key business drivers like AI monetization, and most importantly, how the stock price could react depending on the results. So, if you own Adobe shares or you're thinking of trading the earnings, this one's for you. Let's start with the basics. Earnings per share, EPS. Analysts expect around $5.17 to $5.18, which is about 11% growth year over year. Adobe's own guidance is slightly tighter, $5.15 to $5.20 revenue. Wall Street is looking for around 590 to 591 billion, roughly 9 to 10% higher than last year. Adobe's guidance, 5.875 to 5.925 billion. So, in other words, expectations are pretty much in line with management's own forecast. That means any surprise, whether upside or downside, could move the stock significantly. Now, what's driving those numbers? Three big things to watch. Number one, AI monetization. Adobe's Firefly, generative AI, Acrobat AI assistant, and AI integrations in Creative Cloud are still relatively new. Investors want to see if they're starting to meaningfully boost revenue. Adobe already raised its full-year forecast in June because of AI adoption, so if momentum has accelerated, the stock could pop. Number two, segment performance. Wall Street estimates break down like this. Digital media, about $4.38 billion, nearly 10% growth. Digital experience, about $146 billion, up around 8%. Publishing and advertising, a small piece, roughly $54 million, actually shrinking a bit. Digital media is the bread and butter, but digital experience is where growth investors are looking for traction. Number three, guidance. In Q2, Adobe raised its full-year targets to $23.5 to $23.6 billion in revenue and $20.50 to $20.70 EPS. If they raise guidance again, or even hint at stronger AI adoption, investors will likely reward the stock. Now let's talk sentiment. On Wall Street, analysts are split. RBC is bullish, calling Adobe an outperform with a $480 target, citing AI strength. On the other hand, Deutsche Bank kept a hold rating with a $475 target, saying AI competition is tough and expectations are already high. Some analysts, like Melius, even downgraded the stock, warning that AI monetization could take longer than hoped. And here's another wrinkle. Insiders have sold about 17 million in stock over the past year. That doesn't mean doom and gloom, but it makes investors a little cautious. So sentiment is mixed. Some see Adobe as an AI winner. Others think expectations may be overheated. All right, let's talk about what could actually happen with the stock price after earnings. Scenario one, beat and raise. If Adobe delivers above $5.20 EPS, revenue above $5.925 billion, and raises full-year guidance again, that would show AI monetization is working, and their stock could easily break higher, potentially retesting the 500-plus level it hasn't seen since early 2024. Scenario two, inline results, cautious tone. If results come in exactly within guidance, but management plays it safe with forward commentary, the stock might drift sideways, maybe even sell off slightly because expectations are already high. Investors want acceleration, not just steady growth. Scenario three, miss or weak guidance. If Adobe falls short on either EPS or revenue, or if guidance is trimmed, that would signal AI isn't paying off as quickly as hoped. In that case, the stock could pull back sharply, possibly into the low 400s. So this is really a guidance-driven event. Results matter, but forward-looking commentary is the bigger trigger. To wrap it up, here's what to watch this Thursday. Did Adobe meet or beat its own guidance? Are AI tools like Firefly contributing to revenue in a noticeable way? And most importantly, is management confident enough to raise the full-year outlook again? If the answer is yes across the board, Adobe could get a strong post-earnings rally. If not, the stock might face pressure despite already solid growth. All right, that's the preview for Adobe's Q3 2025 earnings. What do you think? Will AI push Adobe's numbers higher, or are expectations just too high right now? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the earnings recap video right after the results. Thanks for watching.